would recommend to anyone who wants to go with Kanga Roof to not just take the lowest bid that you get, because you're not going to get the best value for your money. Kanga Roof has been exceptionally easy to deal with. There's been no high pressure. They've answered every question that I have had, and they've been in very close contact with me from the very beginning. They had scheduled our roof install for one day, and because one of the men's wives went into labor, we weren't able to have the roof put on that day. So they called me right away and let me know when it would take place. And then the rain got involved in all of that. But they kept me fully informed all the way through the process as to what was happening. They were here when they said that they would be here. I'm shocked. I'm just really, really shocked. Because you always expect those contractors where, yeah, they get your money, they sign you up, and then you don't hear from them, or they just don't follow through. I cannot say that with Kanga Roof at all. They have been exceptional. Pete was the only one that actually went on the roof and actually went in our attic and actually measured competently the entire house so that he knew exactly how many square of shingle that we needed. His was different than the other two competitors, and they all charge you by how many squares there are. When I realized that there was something that I wasn't satisfied with, it was right when the crew had left, so I called the head crew person back, and I said, I'm not happy with something here. He came out that very day. I explained to him what I didn't like, and they fixed it that very day. He had to go to 2 different places to get the needed materials, and they just fixed it. It was amazing. I didn't have to fight. I didn't have to argue. I just simply stated very nicely that I wasn't happy with this one part of the job. It was a piece of trim aluminum that didn't match to my satisfaction, and I'm really, really picky. And they said, okay, no problem. He brought out a paint chip selections, and he and I looked at them, and he had me decide which paint matched the siding the best, and that's what they got. The first estimate that we got was from a company that used high pressure sales tactics, and they started out with a high price, and by the time we were done, they had lowered the price by about $6,000, but I had to decide right then and there to take it. Otherwise, the offer was off the table. That one was right out of the ballpark right then and there. The next one was very competent, or very comparable to what Kanga Roof gave us. The reason why, the final decision to have us go with Kanga Roof was the fact that they had more attractive financing. We were able to take 5 years with no interest, where the other company was 1 year with no interest. So this was better for our family. The cleanup after this job was phenomenal. The men had picked up all of their things, and they had taken them with them to the next job. And within a half an hour, they were here picking up the dumpster. They had done a pretty good job before they left of cleaning up the nails, but there were nails under the dumpster. The very next day, there was somebody else out here to clean up, to go over the property with a magnet to pick up the nails. And then when there was the final inspection, they did that again. I am very, very pleased with the cleanup and how well they took care of our landscaping while the job was taking place. I don't think that you'll be disappointed by having Kanga Roof do your roof, because they will hop right to it.